Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to create chocolate bar mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the chocolate bar. After make a perfect selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. And now pick a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to the chocolate size and change its color and reduce the opacity and convert it into smart object and double click on smart object icon and import the design here. Go to file, place embedded and select chocolate bar design and transform it and hit OK. And press Ctrl S to save and close this tab. Now create a clipping mask and change that blend mode to multiply, and after that go to blending options, move the underlying slider and break it by holding Alt and drag with click and hit OK. And your chocolate bar mockup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.